Morning. Come to Middleton Lakes again. I was going to go somewhere different today, but I've got a decorator coming to do some work on the house, so I can't be out long. I've walked around the meadow today with a guy I've met here before, and I've seen him in the car park, so we kind of walked together around the meadow. Sounds quite romantic, doesn't it? Somewhere I've never walked before, which was a nice change. Not really a lot going on. Took some photos of some long-horned cows and some wild ponies. And luckily enough, the Cuckoos flew past us twice today. So I've got some shots of him in flight. Obviously, at this point, before getting back home and checking them, I don't know how good they are, but I think they're okay. It'd just be nice now if I could get some of them perched. But apart from that, not really a lot going on. So I'm just going to do the last kind of loop now of Middleton Lakes and see what I can see, take some more photos and then head back. So might talk to you in a bit if there's anything worth talking about. Well, like the last few days I came up here, there's not a lot out today. Thought I'd come out early to see if there'd be more before it got too hot, but no, it's still quiet. But I'm still fairly happy though, because I got a cuckoo. And how long have I been chasing that? It'd be so much nicer if I could get one sitting down though, one perched up. That'd be all the boxes ticked. Well, I came back up to the pool where I took the photos of the grebe before on the nest, with the hope of trying to get a photo of the chicks on the back, but they're not even there. I can't even see them today, so they must be right over the other side. I'm destined not to get them photos, I think. I've waited for months, but they're just too far away, and yeah, and like I said today, they're not even there. Quick look in the hide. Let's in the hide as usual, just a pheasant. I took a photo of a pheasant and I'm heading back. Really hungry, I'm really thirsty. I put my drink bottle in my bag, just come to reach it and it's not there. I'm just hoping that when I pick my bag up in the car, it fell out. Just after your advice, I've got a voucher to use with a company called Sale Digital, who do online printing and photo books, things like that. And I've got a voucher I've got to use by the end of September, so I'm kind of stuck at the moment deciding what to have printed. I want like a panoramic photo, a pano photo, is that panoramic? A pano photo, but I can't decide which one I want. I'm going to leave a couple of photos up. If you could just let me know which one you think would be best. And remember, it's not just about if it looks okay. I just want it something that I can hang up on my wall and it'd look okay, if you know what I mean. It's going on a white wall in a white and black room, so anything really can go in there, but I just can't decide which one I want. If I'm honest, I don't really like any of them enough to have done, but I want to make use of this voucher before it expires. So yeah, I'll leave them after this, and just let me know what you think, which one you'd have done. Another opportunity for some photos that I wanted to get was the tern flying over, and then, you know, like the kind of hover and that. And I'm just seeing him coming over by the river here. Well, I was taking some trying to get some photos of a lapwing, but I've come back over to the river and I've waited like nearly 20 minutes now and he hasn't come back. I really want some of them shots as well, but I can't be bothered to wait because I'm just so thirsty today. And I've left my drink in the car. Well, I'm hoping I have. So I've got to head back because my throat's so dry. I can see today is going to be a mostly cutting the grass and drinking beer day when I get back. Well, that's it. The bird activity's died right down now. I'm heading back. I don't think there'll be any more photos. If there are, I'll leave them after this. Thanks for watching. Hopefully the quality of photos will be a little bit better this week, because they've been absolutely terrible the last few weeks. It's even gained me a few dislikes on my YouTube channel. So a few more dummies I've got to send out in the post. I've got your addresses. So yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time.